Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sugandh Khanna, AWS Solution Architect Associate Certified and Aqua Certified Drupal 8. Today we're gonna discuss step 8 of CI/CD pipeline, where we will learn how to integrate Jenkins with GitHub. So let's switch on to our AWS servers. So here, as you can see, we are on our AWS account, and yesterday I have stopped these servers after step 7. So today I'll gonna start these servers again. So as you can see, our instances are running now. What I need to do is I need to SSH into my Jenkins server, and for that I would require the public IP of Jenkins server, and I'll set up my connection in PuTTY. Since we stopped all servers yesterday night and starting all these servers again, so the IP got changed. Okay, we need to establish the connection again in the PuTTY. I'm deleting these existing ones and creating a new connection for particularly for the Jenkins server. Okay, and here in SSH auth, hope you're aware of these steps. Okay, fine. So I'm successfully logged into my Jenkins server. Let's check if this is working or not. So it's still not working. Let me first sudo su to add the root user. Okay, and systemctl start Jenkins. Let's check now. Why it's not working? Okay, that was my bad. I was checking on the port 8000, but it is on the port 8080. Let me give my username and password here. What was that? So here I logged into my Jenkins server. Now here I have created one repo in my Git account, which is this. You can also create the new repo here. So let's create a new repo. So let's give it a name, August 23. It should be a private, add a readme file and create repo. The repo is now got created. Here in the settings, we need to go at webhooks. Okay, and here I'll add webhook. So this is how we will establish a bridge between Jenkins and GitHub. There is a connection which we are trying to make, and here you will paste this URL and along with GitHub webhook. Fine. Choose here JSON, and here we require a secret key, and we will get this from the Jenkins server. So here in the manage Jenkins, in the configure. Okay, so here you will click, and then on the configure there's an option that came out for add new token. Okay, and you can generate a token from here. You can just copy this, copy token is copied. I'm just saving it. Okay, so my token is now copied. I'll add this token over here. Add webhook, and this way the webhook got added, and we have integrated Jenkins with the GitHub account. That's all for this session. Next, I'll catch you in the next step, which is step 9. Thank you and have a great day.